They said restoring a classic Dodge would be fun. They didn't mention it would also be broke boy season. Here's exactly how much it cost me to bring this rusty beast back to life. No sponsors, just real work and a little insanity. I bought this old Dodge for $2,500 from a guy who said it had potential. By potential, he meant holes in the floor and wildlife in the glove box. Towing it to my garage, another 120. Cleaning supplies, 60. We're already at 2680 and I haven't even opened the hood yet. How hell well is this a Dodge with kitchen take? You can't fix a Dodge with kitchen tools. I spent $560 on garage essentials, jack stands, torque wrench, an engine hoist, and panic Google searches. Worth it? Definitely. Cat a question. How well is this a Dodge for kitchen tools? The engine looked like it lost a bar fight. Rebuild kit 5050, new carb 160, gaskets, belts, and fuel system another 640. Total $1,350, and a couple of breakdowns, both mechanical and emotional. Body some cool all ways. How well is this a Dodge? Bodywork was a whole journey. I sanded, filled, primed, and painted in my driveway, like a true DIY warrior. Supplies and gear cost me $350. The result, not perfect, but she shines. Cold, well, is this a Dodge taking when? Inside was a mess. No carpet, ripped seats, dashboard straight from a horror movie. I spent $600 fixing it all. New upholstery, carpet, headliner, and trim. Now it feels like a car again, one you'd actually want to sit in. The third thing I failing that these different fixtures works a Dodge. Right now, any something, stills, and telling. Here's the full breakdown. Car plus tow, 2680. Tools, 560. Mechanical, 1,350. Paint, 350. Interior, $600. Total, $540. Was it cheap? No. Was it worth it? Absolutely. I learned more from this car than I ever did in school. Plus, I've got a muscle car that actually turns heads. Thinking of doing your own build? Start with what you've got. Learn as you go. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe because the next build might just be bigger or worse.